Genesis chapter 1 verse 1 says, "In the beginning, God made the heaven and the earth." Before God started making the world, nothing was here. It was very dark. There was no sun, no moon, no beautiful plants or animals. There was only darkness and water. And then God spoke, "Let there be light," and light appeared. It's so great to be in the light. God knew we would need time to rest, so He created day and night. And that was the end of the first day of all new world. And the second day, God created something He knew man would need. Look for it. I'm sure you couldn't see it, but you could have seen what it can do. Yes, it's called air. We need air to breathe, and from the air we get wind. Do you know that the wind causes waves in the water? On this same day, God divided the water from the air to create the beautiful blue sky to surround our new world. We can enjoy the air, water, and the blue sky. And the evening and the morning were the second day of our new world. God created these wonderful things for His children to enjoy.